Hello America, this is Jacob.Boyd with Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. I want to talk to you today about this 253 RLS Coachmen Apex trailer. It's a really special trailer in that it can be pulled by a lot of things, and it actually does something that a lot of bigger trailers don't do. So the dry weight of this trailer is 5,255 pounds. It is 25 feet plus and change long. So 29 feet from hitch to the tip of hitch to rear of bumper. And being an Apex, it means it has Asdel for its underlayment, so there's nothing inside these walls that can rot, that can get mold, and they can expand or contract in the event that water would get in, but these things are watertight. Really, really lightweight. Apex does lightweight, low profile really well. And they still keep the quality construction up. There's a lot of vacuum bonded surfaces inside, so the construction is really tight. You have a huge pass-through storage right off the front. You have magnetic latches for your compartments, as well as slam latches for your doors. Let them go, they close really easily. You have solar on the side, so plug and play solar really makes it really easy to park in the shade, tether it out, have a sunflower however you need. Make sure your batteries are staying there and really kind of keeping up with what you need for your energy requirements. Huge awning on this guy too, so this takes up most of the length of the trailer, so you can make really good use of the interior and the exterior of the trailer really well. You have a solid step there for your entranceway. Those legs, they actually adjust independently, so if you are on uneven ground, it makes it really easy. The carriage is up inside, out of the way, so you have nothing hanging down you can catch on anything or a really kind of rough terrain you might be going over. You have outdoor speakers, indoor, outdoor speakers. You can pick and choose kind of where the music is or kind of where you're going to be at too. So let's head inside and really see what sets this one apart. And as you can see, right when you step into this trailer, this is a rear lounging trailer. There's a lot of lounging space, so additional seating as well as your dinette, which can convert into a really big bed here as well. The lounger is off the rear, surrounded by windows, tons of windows. It's really nice to see where you took the time to get to once you got there. And then those loungers, they kick back, the legs come up, and they recline. It makes it really easy. You can move those around really kind of to adjust to whatever kind of you would like to do with it as well. A nice peninsular countertop here with a double basin sink. A lot of storage with some really nice drawers as well. You have your full complement of kitchen equipment with your stove, your 3-burner cooktop, and your microwave right above your hood, as well as your huge fridge too. And that is all kind of facing this big media center here. So you have the media center is those indoor-outdoor speakers. It's Bluetooth capable. It's also plug and play for a lot of stuff. So if you want to plug in a Fire Stick or really anything else with a USB, you have the ability to do so. It makes it pretty easy. This all kind of flows into the bathroom. It's a pass-through bathroom, so a Jack and Jill bathroom with a big shower enclosure. The shower enclosure's got a glass door, so you can actually brace yourself if you need to against the shower door, so instead of having a curtain that doesn't really offer that as well. A lot of pantry space in there as well. Not pantry space, but linen closet space, and a true vanity. And being that it takes up the entire width of the trailer, the bathroom, there's a lot of space in there, so you can actually not feel cramped while you're trying to relax. And that all flows right into the master bedroom. So you have a big queen walk-around bed, and one of the features about Apexes is always really nice is that they have a big window right above the bed as well. There is a blind that can be drawn down to cover it up, but it still offers you the ability to get some natural light in the bedroom when you have the opportunity for it, and also stargaze at night when you're actually just laying around and kind of having a peek and having a little relaxation time. There's storage underneath the bed, as well as the 2 hanging closets on either side of the bed too. There's plugins wherever you really need them, which makes it really handy all at the same time. So this guy is really special, 25 feet and change long for the floor plan, 5,255 pounds dry. Those are really the spectacular things that are rear lounging a trailer. You generally find much heavier and much longer. If you have any questions about this trailer or any other trailer we have online, stop by and say hello, ask for Jake, or drop me a line, 773-655-7190. See you then.